Hi, Mr. Allison. We are tearing apart your auto duct line 5 for loading now. And there are several connections that you have to know after you received the parts, the different stations. Especially the connections, the wire connections. Here, we make the numbers from number 1 to number 15 for all the wire connections. After you receive the wires and the machine, you connect as per our marked. For example, this is number 5 and connect to the connections here. 5. All are listed. Here is number 1 to number 12. Here is number 13 to number 15. All have to be connected correct, and all are marked with the wires and the connections. Hi, Mr. Allison. There are 3 servo motors that we have to tear apart the wires, and after you receive that, you have to reconnect as per our marked numbers. This is the first servo, and we make the marks as the first servo. And there are several wires you have to reconnect after you receive the machine. Here and here you have to reconnect, and the numbers have to be correct. UVWPE, yeah, it has to be correct. Okay. This shows you how to connect and disconnect the wires. This is the key to connect and disconnect the wires. This is the key. Connect it and push. Okay.把它按上去，先不按，可以，下一个。你先不要上下去，先接个线看。This show you how to connect the wires. Okay. We try again. Show you how to connect when you receive the machine. Okay, connected. Okay. Hi, Allison. After you receive the wires, you can, we put them together. You can tear that apart and reconnect it to the servo motor. The sequence, the connector sequence is UV. The connector sequence is UVWPE, the 4 wires. all same. Hi Allison, we will tear apart this air hose. You just need to reconnect this place. See, just need to reconnect this place. OK， OK， 把它拆掉吧。好 ，OK。Hi Allison, this is the second place. 我看一下那个标签。This is the second place, second air hose that you need to connect. This place. At the end of the auto duct line. OK. 你把它看一下那边的距离。Yeah, second air hose connect here. Okay. And this is the total air connection. Your air be connected at this place. This is the air input connection. Hi Alison, we are having the different stations of the position. After you receive the machines, there are several positions you have to be, aware. The position between the main part and the transport table. Here we mark a mark for your reference after you receive the machines and put the positions into correct places. Okay. Okay, here's a line. We make a line. You have to make the line in the same place. OK， 然后这个地方跟咬口的那个地方，
找一块长板了。
This place, this transfer table and the fast pitch buff station, the metal sheet goes by this place and went to the pitch buff place. It has to be very straight, and I'll show you a piece of sheet. Yeah, the position has to be go right there, right from this place to this place. Has to be correct. Okay. 然后这边呢？
这边是死的。
这边是死的是吧？
对。这边拉到位就可以。
这遥口机也是放在这个遥口机的呢？
遥口机不动，遥口机就这个位置呢，这边到这里，你这里肯定要标一下嘛，或者说你要换线。
The pitch buff place.
在这个地方换个线。
The pitch buff station position is here. We make a mark. 好。This pitch buff station and this table has to be. There's a line marked here. Here's another line marked for the pitch buff station. OK。然后这边呢，那个。
这边他自己调的。
我知道，你要告诉他怎么个调法呀。
来，先让他自己调吧。 到时候过不去，它自己调一下吧。反正现在是能过去。
The transforming station, transit station, and the duplex TDF station, the position, we also make a mark here. Okay. After this is a general mark. You have to make sure that the sheet comes by from this transit table and goes into the TDF, has to pass smoothly and with the TDF formed perfectly. Then the position is right. Otherwise, you have to adjust the position or the TDF position. Here's another mark with the TDF and the last folding station mark. Okay. Then all set. Okay. The stations, the positions are all set. Hi, Allison. This is the connections for the decollers. This wire is for the first set of decollers. There are 2 separate motors and 4 decollers in total, and one motor controls 2 decoller spindle, and the first motor connected here as per the numbers there. There are numbers, you know, on the wires. You just have to connect the with the same wires here. And this is the second, another decoller connections for the second decoller motor. Also, there are numbers here to connect the decollers. And there, on the machine, you can see this wire. This wire connects to the machine. This is the decoller. Second wire decoller connected on the machine, and on the other side, this connected to this controller, to this electric box. Here, connected the 3 wires. This place, L1, L2, L3, the 3-phase wires connected here, and then the machine will control the decoller directly already. This is the electric box. Here all decollers are closed. This is the second decoller. First decoller.